It already started now.
Get the paper ready too, though.
Yeah, it's right here.
No, that one too.
Oh,
Right here.
okay.
Ready? Bless you. Here we go. Footprint time. Do you want to do it on the paper first to try it out?
Yeah,
Before you put it in the book?
Oh, Mommy.
Is he boogering?
He's got bloody boogers.
Oh, I don't care about my shirt. Is he okay?
That's what I'm saying. Oh,
Oh, bless you. Aww.
Aww. I don't want a video of my son having a bloody nose.
What's Mommy doing to you? Huh? What's Mommy doing?
He scrunched his little toes.
Oh, that's adorable. Re-ink it. Get it in the book. That's perfect.
He scrunches his little toesies, though.
Okay. Book time.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, yay! Good job. Do you want to wipe that one off first so he doesn't
Yeah.
get it all over you?
Good idea. Uh-oh.
Not coming off there? Oh.
Hands are gonna be difficult.
Well, we can give him a bath later too, but just get it off so it doesn't like get all over everything. He'll probably need a bath later. We can get more off. All right, you ready for foot number 2, buddy? Or just move that over and then put that down.
Well, it's easier because this is harder.
Okay. Ready? Ink foot number 2. Mommy, what are you doing? That's cold. Yay! Baby's footprints are in the baby book. Hi. You could probably stop that thing now.
Yeah, we're gonna take a break to do his hands so you can stop it.
Bye.